Hello guys, review smartphone Poco X4 GT. This version 8GB RAM memory and 256GB Intel memory. Okay, open box and look complementation. In complementation we have box, mini box with documentary and protected back cover and key for SIM slot. SIM slot for 2 nano SIM card on this device. Only for 2 nano SIM card without micro SD. Okay. Blue color device, made plastic, triple camera on the back side. Quick charge adapter and Type-C cable. In complementation. Okay, device. 6.6-inch display, IPS display, Full HD Plus resolution, 144 Hz display. Okay. Open tests. Very smooth work system on this device. We have Android 12 version, CPU MediaTek Dimensity 8100, octa-core processor 4+4 cores, and GPU Mali G610. Okay. Perfect results. Device very powerful. In Antutu benchmark we have very good results. Okay. Run GTA San Andreas, the money game. The game works perfect on this device. Okay. Close this, and now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.